Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of web design and development, but not just from a creative standpoint. We're talking business opportunities, people. Whether you're a coding wizard or a design guru, the online world is your oyster. And trust me, there are pearls everywhere just waiting to be discovered. We're going to break down some seriously lucrative avenues you can explore to turn your web skills into a thriving business. From specialized niches to cutting-edge technologies, we'll cover it all. So, grab your notebooks and get ready to take some notes because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to building your very own web design and development empire. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about niches. Just like any business, specializing can be your secret weapon in the web design world. Think about it, would you rather be a jack of all trades or the go-to expert in a specific field? First up, we've got e-commerce. This is huge right now. Everyone's buying online, which means businesses need online stores that are not just functional but beautiful and user-friendly. We're talking seamless checkout processes, intuitive product displays, the works. If you can nail that, you're golden. Next, we have landing pages. These are all about conversions. A killer landing page can make or break a marketing campaign, so businesses are willing to invest in top-notch design and development to make sure theirs are top tier. And hey, let's not forget about all the creatives and freelancers out there. Everyone needs a portfolio website, a digital space to showcase their work and attract clients. This is where you come in, crafting stunning online portfolios that make your clients' work shine. By specializing in one or a few, you become the expert they seek out. Remember, the goal is to become the go-to person in your chosen niche. Okay, so you've got the design aspect down, but what about the backbone of a website, the development side? This is where things get really interesting and potentially even more lucrative. First up, we have full-stack development. This is like the holy grail of web development. Full-stack developers are proficient in both front-end and back-end development, meaning they can handle everything from the design and user interface to the server-side coding and database management. Talk about a valuable skill set. Then there are progressive web apps, or PWAs. These are becoming increasingly popular and for good reason. They offer a native, app-like experience that runs smoothly on any device, all without requiring a separate download. If you can build PWAs, you're offering a cutting-edge solution that businesses are clamoring for. Speaking of cutting edge, let's talk about custom web applications. These are tailor-made solutions designed to meet specific business needs. Think CRM systems, project management tools, or even internal communication platforms. These projects can be more complex and time-consuming, but they also come with a higher price tag. By offering a range of web development services, you're positioning yourself as a one-stop shop for all your clients' needs. This not only makes their lives easier, but also opens up multiple revenue streams for your business. Now let's talk about the long-game website maintenance and support. This might not seem as glamorous as designing a stunning website, but it's where the real recurring revenue lies. Clients need ongoing maintenance to keep their websites running smoothly and secure. This is where you come in as their trusted partner. Security is crucial with increasing cyber threats. Offer services like security audits and malware removal. No one likes a slow website. Optimize performance to boost user experience and conversions. Offer comprehensive packages for essential services and recurring revenue. Alright, let's shift gears a bit and talk about a critical aspect of web design and development that often gets overlooked: user experience, or UX, and user interface, or UI. This is all about making websites not just visually appealing but also incredibly intuitive and easy to use. Think about it. You land on a website and it's a confusing mess. You can't find what you're looking for, the navigation is clunky, and the whole experience is just frustrating. Chances are, you're going to bounce right off and find a competitor's site that's more user-friendly. That's where UI/UX design comes in. It's about understanding how users interact with websites and designing interfaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and incredibly easy to navigate. And let me tell you, businesses are catching on to the power of a seamless user experience. One service you can offer is UI/UX consulting. This involves analyzing your client's existing websites or app interfaces and identifying areas for improvement in terms of usability, accessibility, and overall user satisfaction. Then there's wireframing, which is like creating a blueprint for a website or app. It helps map out the structure, layout, and flow of information, ensuring a logical and intuitive user journey. But it's not just about functionality, it's also about emotion. This is where branding comes in. Your website should not only be easy to use, but it should also reflect your client's brand identity, conveying their values, personality, and unique selling points. Okay, so you've built a stunning website, it's optimized for user experience, and it perfectly reflects your client's brand. But now what? How do you get people to actually visit the site and engage with its content? That's where digital marketing integration comes in. It's like building a beautiful car. It might look amazing, but without an engine, it's not going anywhere. Digital marketing is the engine that drives traffic, generates leads, and ultimately boosts your client's bottom line. One crucial aspect of digital marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. It's all about making sure a website ranks high in search engine results pages like Google, so that when potential customers search for relevant keywords, your client's site pops up at the top. Offering SEO services, such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building, can significantly improve a website's organic visibility and drive targeted traffic. Then there's conversion rate optimization, or CRO. This is all about turning website visitors into paying customers. It involves analyzing user behavior, identifying conversion bottlenecks, and implementing strategies to improve the percentage of visitors who take desired actions, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or filling out a contact form. And of course, we can't forget about the power of data. Tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Alright, we've talked about various ways to generate revenue by offering web design, development, and marketing services to clients. But what if I told you there are even more ways to monetize your skills and expertise in the web design and development world? That's right, we're going beyond client work and exploring some creative monetization strategies that can turn your knowledge and passion into passive income streams. One popular option is selling pre-made website templates. Let's face it, not everyone has the budget to hire a web designer or developer for a custom website. That's where pre-made templates come in. You can create beautiful, functional, and customizable website templates for various niches and sell them on platforms like ThemeForest or Creative Market. And hey, if you're passionate about teaching and sharing your knowledge, why not create online courses? Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses on topics like web design, front-end development, or even specific software tutorials. Affiliate marketing is another great way to monetize your website or blog. By partnering with companies that offer products or services relevant to your audience, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. And speaking of recurring revenue, let's talk about subscription-based services. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground from specialized niches to monetization strategies, but the world of web design and development never stands still. New technologies are constantly emerging, pushing the boundaries of what's possible online. Let's explore some cutting-edge trends shaping the future of web development. AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer service. They provide instant support and guide users through websites. Blockchain technology extends beyond cryptocurrencies. It secures online transactions and manages supply chains. AR and VR are becoming mainstream, creating interactive experiences. Voice search optimization is crucial with the rise of voice assistants. So there you have it, guys. A comprehensive look at building a successful web design and development business. From finding your niche and offering a range of services to mastering UI/UX design, integrating digital marketing strategies, and exploring emerging technologies, you've got a roadmap to turn your passion into a thriving business. Remember, the online world is constantly evolving, so embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and always strive to deliver exceptional value to your clients. Now go out there, build something amazing, and make your mark on the digital world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of web design and development. See you in the next video.